Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of server error on Google Maps. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we go to Google Maps. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.